In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to allow multiple responses in Google Form. Now by default, Google Form restricts users to one response per email. However, in some cases, you may want to allow multiple responses for surveys, event registration, or recurring submissions. And here's how to enable multiple responses in Google Form. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Google Forms and go to settings. And to do that, just open your forms in workspace.google.com/product/forms and make sure you log in using your Google account credentials. Once you log in, now go to the form you want to allow multiple responses on. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And after that, go to the settings icon here. Go to settings. Now the second step is to disable limit to one responses. Now under responses, toggle off the limit to one responses. If it's enabled, turn it off by toggling the switch right here. As you can see, I toggled it and now it's off. Now the third step is to enable respond editing. Now if you want users to edit their previous response, turn on allow responses to edit after submission in settings. Now, the fourth step is to use pre-filled links for repeated entries. If users need to submit similar responses multiple times, generate a pre-filled form link. For example, click more, three dots, then click on get more pre-filled link, and fill in the default answers and share the unique link. As for the fifth step is to share the form with users. And you can do that by publishing the form, clicking on publish here, and then click on the share icon, and then switch for the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, and then copy the responder's link by clicking on the copy button right here, and as you can see, the link is copied in the clipboard. The sixth step is to manage and analyze responses, and you can do that by clicking on the response section in the Google Forms dashboard, and then export responses to Google Sheets for tracking and filtering after you link to Sheets using this button right here. You can also, if needed, manually delete, duplicate, or unwanted responses. Now, allowing multiple responses in Google Form is useful for surveys, event registration, and ongoing data collection. Just disable response limits and share your form widely to collect multiple submissions efficiently. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.